Good morning, it's Lonnie with Crafty Traveler, and today I'd like to let you know what programs I use to plan my trips. Hello, you have found my channel, The Crafty Traveler. My name is Lonnie, and I am a 71-year-old female who loves to camp and travel. I'm saying goodbye to my husband for the next 4 months as I travel across country with my little schnauzer Snickers. We're traveling in my Mini Winnie and towing my Honda. Come and subscribe to my channel and follow our adventures. Thanks for watching. First of all, I want to say that I am not sponsored by any of the websites that I'm going to tell you about. They are just my choices. How do I find places to stay? I use 3 different media sites. I use RV Trip Wizard, which is usually my first place to go to plan my trips. I also am a member of Harvest Host and Boondockers Welcome. I can go on their website and find places in the areas I want to be. I use casinocamping.com. My main tool for finding camping and RV parks is TripWizard. I can look at TripWizard, put in the name of the state or city or even an address, and it will go right to that address. Now, if the address is not already in the system, you can put in how many nights you want, but you need to make sure that you put in all the other information. If the RV park is in the system, it shows you all the details and the website of that park, and it even shows you reviews. If I choose a place that's not in the system, such as a Harvest Host, then I can look up that on the Harvest Host website. I am a member of Harvest Host and Boondockers Welcome. Therefore, I can choose places to stay, and I can capture their address, or at least the name of the place, at first. Then on Harvest Host, Boondockers Welcome, I will request a stay, and once I get my stay accepted, then the hosts usually put in their address and phone number, and then I can type that into my RV Trip Wizard schedule. RV Trip Wizard is a fee-based website. I've been a RV Pro member since 2019, and I was able to get the subscription for $39 a year. I think it has gone up now. You'll need to go to rvtripwizard.com to find out what that is. But it is worth every penny. If you don't have Harvest Host or Boondockers Welcome, you can use my link to get a 15% discount. I'll post it here, and I'll post it in the description. So you just copy and paste my link to the browser, and it will take you right to the Harvest Host website where you can sign up. That gives you a discount, and it gives me a little bit back to put towards my next payment. I'd appreciate you doing that. I wanted to let you know how I find casinos that have RV parks or allow RVs to park in their parking lot. I go to casinocamper.com, and from there I can click on the icon that says RV Friendly Casinos, and then I scroll down to see the states. Click on the state, and it shows me a map with little bubbles of where there are casinos. Then I touch the bubble, and it'll show me the name of the casino, and click on it, and it'll take me to their website. And in most cases, all the information is there. And if there is more information that I need, the address and phone number are there, and I can always give them a call. CasinoCamper.com is a no-fee site, and I don't pay a fee to use their information. It is easy to find RV-friendly casinos that at least allow you to park in their parking lots for free, or they have an RV park connected to their casino. I know there are many other websites you can look at, like Epedemic, RV Parky, freeparking.com, freecamping.com, and I do use those occasionally, but they are not my first go-to sites. So these are some of the tools that I use to plan my trips. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe. Thank you.